Now that kids are back to school, here's a very easy, nutritious, and delicious kids' lunch box or tiffin box idea, which is ready in a jiffy. So, let us see what it is. So, for this recipe to make this delicious, healthy kids' lunch box idea, you will need onion, one onion chopped, a few garlic cloves, little amount of ginger, and 1 cup of coconut. Scrapped coconut, we will need to blend it all together. You may add little amount of water if it is not easy to grind. Now add 1/3 cup of besan or chickpea flour and add 3 to 4 tablespoon of water. Then add salt, turmeric, anardana powder or amchur powder, jeera powder, and I have also added little amount of red chili powder, but you can skip it for kids. Blend it all together. If you feel you need to add more water, please do. Our batter is ready. Next, heat an iron skillet or tawa, half tablespoon of mustard oil. I removed this excess oil. Start placing the mixture on the tawa or skillet. Keep the flame low all through this process. We don't want to burn our tikkis. This recipe takes inspiration from Uriya Nadiya Bhaja, which is a people pleaser. It tastes so yum. It's nutritious and healthy, and we often enjoy it as an accompaniment to rice and even rotis. You can enjoy it as a snack too, and kids will love it as part of their tiffin box idea. Now you can apply a little amount of oil, flip side, continue to flip side and keep pressing because we don't want our coconut tikkis to stay raw inside. We want them to be cooked from inside out. Keep shifting the tikkis to the other side that are cooked. Keep the flame low, please keep the flame low, and our healthy, nutritious tiffin box idea is ready to be relished. You can enjoy it as is or pair it with mangoes and cucumber for school tiffin. Now I have applied sweet mango chutney, which tastes more like mango jam. It's absolutely yum. So you can apply it and give it to the kids in their tiffin box. They will love the sweet and tangy taste of mango chutney. Now, mango and cucumber pair well with this, and kids will love their healthy tiffin. And of course, you will love watching them relish their school tiffin. So, I hope this healthy idea of school tiffin or lunch box interested you. If it did, please don't forget to share it with your friends and relatives. Let us all learn to stay healthy and happy together. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.